Hey guys, welcome to my channel Football Guide and Analysis, where I analyze and discuss about teams, match predictions, and leagues. Right now, the most awaited news is Messi's transfer from Barcelona. So there are a lot of news and rumors about this. Many clubs have offer for Messi. Today we will have a look where Messi can end up once this transfer window ends. So let's have a look which clubs are there with offer for Messi. Manchester City, then Manchester United, then PSG, Inter Milan, Chelsea, Juventus, and many other clubs like West Ham, Arsenal, etc. But among these, Chelsea have already spent a huge amount on Werner, Hakim Ziyech, Malang Sarr, Thiago Silva, Chilwell, and they are expected to spend another 72 million euro for Kai Havertz. So they will be unable to bear Messi's expenses. Next, we can see Juventus, and they are already on loss, so it is impossible for them to buy Messi. The other clubs like Arsenal, West Hams are just wasting their time with small offers which will not be acceptable. PSG also have to maintain their expense as they have already spent a large amount on Mbappe and Neymar. So the only option for Messi is Manchester City, Manchester United and Inter Milan. Manchester City has Pep Guardiola and a huge oil money, which made them favorite to sign the star player. City's current formation is like this, and David Silva already left them. So Messi can accommodate himself in this place, and he can create a partnership with De Bruyne in midfield. He can be used in place of Phil Foden also to increase the strength of their attack. Leroy Sané already left City, who was involved in many goals last season. So Messi can be used in this place of both David Silva and Leroy Sané and complement their attack. Next in line we have Manchester United, and there are rumors too. This is the current lineup of Manchester United and the formation, which has a weak link in left side where Nemanja Matic or Fred plays. So if they buy Messi, then he can be used in this position. See, he can play 1-2 with Bruno, he can send forward passes to Martial and Rashford, and he can provide long balls to Pogba. So see, the midfield with Pogba, Bruno Fernandes and Messi and the front line with Greenwood, Martial and Rashford will be a treat for United fans. There can be a huge surprise if Antonio Conte can pull Messi to Inter Milan. There's a time when many legends played there, but for last 19 years they were down in performance, mostly relied on medium players. But last season Antonio Conte came as a manager and completely changed the team. He bought Victor Moses from Chelsea, Christian Eriksen from Spurs, Lukaku, Ashley Young and Alexis Sanchez from Manchester United, and suddenly Inter became a team to watch. They ended their campaign on second position in Serie A, just 1 point after Juventus, and they reached Europa League final, their major achievement after 2010 UEFA Champions League win. So Inter's current team is like this, which plays in 3-5-2 formation, which is earlier used by Conte in Juventus, Italy national team and Chelsea. So yes, Messi can play in place of Gagliardini as the other players like Barella, Brozovic and D'Ambrosio are necessary for Inter. Gagliardini is a weak link in their midfield. We have seen that in Europa League final where he failed to deliver. Messi can add something in wing to Ashley Young, he can team up with Brozovic and Barella, and he can provide forward passes to Lukaku and Lautaro Martinez. Just imagine what will happen when Messi, Eriksen, Barella, Brozovic, Lukaku, Lautaro Martinez and Sanchez all will play at the same time. Inter can stop Juventus from winning Serie A this time if that happens. So these are the predictions and possibilities where Messi can end up after this transfer. So let's wrap this up and wait for the official news. Let me know if I said anything inaccurate in the video. I would really appreciate that. I will also appreciate if you gently tap the subscribe button if you have not subscribed yet. And if you enjoyed this video, then share this with your friends.